So hello, my name is Meepreet Singh Bhaktana. You may can address me by my first name Meev. I am here to present my pitch about Swarm bots. It's an approach to coordinate various autonomous robots using Swarm technology. First of all, what is Swarm robotics? Swarm robotics is an approach to coordinate various autonomous robots in order to complete a task. The second point can be generally humans coordinate with each other to complete certain tasks like lift heavy weights, carrying long item, etc. Similarly, we can achieve the same coordination between robots using Swarm technology. Through this project, I am going to build two unique robots which will be walking, which work based on Swarm technology. Talking about the IoT application of my project, the first one is tackling dangerous tasks. As my robots can be used to tackle dangerous tasks to reduce or eliminate the risk for humans. Based on the level of danger, there is potential for loss of robot individuals, necessitating a focus on fault tolerance of the swarm. Some examples include search and rescue, cleanup of toxic spills, and maybe it can be demining. The second IoT application will be dynamic environments. Certain environments may change rapidly over time, such as after natural disasters like hurricanes or earthquake. Here, swarm robots that are customized for high levels of flexibility will be needed. Example includes search and rescue, patrolling, disaster recovery tasks. Third IoT application is when high flexibility and scalability are needed. There are tasks where it's difficult or impossible to estimate at the beginning the number of resources needed to accomplish the task. For example, if you are allocating resources for managing an oil spill or leak, you cannot foresee the oil output or temporal evaluation. This makes resource allocation doubly difficult. Moving towards the working, the system includes building two walking robots where one will act as the master robot which gives command and other one will act as a slave robot which will follow the master robot. The microcontroller of the master robot will be programmed in such a way that based on the sensor's input, master will walk and the microcontroller of the slave robot will replicate the master robot exactly. The second point can be to build this system. An Arduino Uno board will be used for interfacing microcontroller with RF transmitter and receiver model. The RF transmitter basically will be giving the signal to the other robot. Here an encoder will be interfaced to the transmitter module and a decoder will be interfaced to the receiver module. The hardware for my project is Arduino Uno, servo motors, motor driver, encoder, which will be HT12E, RF transmitter, decoder, HT12D, RF receiver, IR sensor. The software for my project will be Arduino IDE. Thank you. That's all about my project.